Hello guys, in this video we'll be deriving the quadratic equation using the parabola function, which says that ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So in order to derive, what you need to do, you have to complete a square for this parabola equation. How do you complete a square? First of all, you have to take the value of c to the right hand side, which means you will have ax squared plus bx equal to negative c. Since these are not numbers but are just variables, you have to divide it throughout with a. So it will give you x squared plus b all over a multiplied by x equal to negative c all over a. Then from here, what does the law of completing a square says? You have to take the value of b, you divide it by 2 and you square it. Then you add it on the left hand side and also on the right hand side, which means we will have x squared plus b all over a multiplied by x plus b all over 2a all squared equal to negative c all over a plus b all over 2a all squared. From here, you have to take everything which is powered 2 and put it on one bracket and square it. Then it will be equal to negative c all over a plus, here you have to distribute the exponent 2. It will be b squared all over 4a squared. Now on the right hand side, we have these two complicated fractions. What we have to do, we need to find the common denominator. But if we can check, inside 4a squared, there is a. So which means if we can try to make the denominators to be 4a squared in both the fractions, how can we do that? We will simply multiply the value of negative ca by 4a all over 4a, meaning we just have multiplied with 1. So we didn't violate the laws of mathematics, which will then give us negative 4ac all over 4a squared plus b squared all over 4a squared. I'm sure from now you can see the common denominator. So let me just put back here my left hand side. And now what we have to do, we have to combine this and make it one fraction. So it will be just a negative 4ac plus b squared all over 4a squared. So to remove the power 2 on our left hand side, we have to introduce the square root on both sides. But before introducing the square root, let us fix our right hand side and start with b squared minus 4ac all over 4a squared. So let's just put back our left hand side. So now we can introduce our square root, and we know that square root, it is positive or negative. So on our left hand side, the square root will cancel with the power 2, which will give us x plus b all over 2a equal to the giant square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 4a squared. From here, the left hand side will be just x plus b all over 2a equal to, if you have a square root of a fraction, you can either separate it to be plus or negative the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over plus or negative the square root of 4a squared. So if we simplify the right hand side, we will have a plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over, what is the square root of 4? Square root of 4, it is simply 2. What is the square root of a squared? It is simply a. So our denominator will be 2a. Let us write it here on a clean page. So we will have x plus b all over 2a equal to plus or negative the root of b squared minus 4ac, which is all over 2a. From here, what you have to do, on the left hand side, you take b all over 2a to the right hand side. So x will be equal to negative b all over 2a plus or minus the root of b squared minus 4ac. The denominator is 2a. From here, you can see that you have a common denominator. So we will combine these two fractions to be just all over 2a, meaning we'll have negative b plus or minus b squared minus 4ac all over 2a, which is the common denominator. So this is how you simply derive the quadratic equation using the parabola function.
Don't forget to like and subscribe on Perspi Science to be notified with more videos. Thank you.